Have you ever felt like you're just spinning your wheels, working hard but not getting any closer to real financial freedom? What if I told you there's a system, a framework that successful online entrepreneurs use to build sustainable wealth? It's not a magic trick, but a proven strategy. I call it the Online Wealth Wheel. Stay with me for the next few minutes, and I'll break down exactly how it works, step by step, so you can start building your own. The Online Wealth Wheel has 4 essential parts, like spokes on a wheel. Each one is crucial, and when they work together, they create momentum that's almost unstoppable. The first spoke is your unique value. This is the core of everything. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have? What problems can you solve for others? It could be anything from baking sourdough bread, to coding a new app, to helping people get fit. Your unique value is the hub of your wheel, the central point from which everything else extends. Don't just think about what you can do, think about what you love to do. Authenticity is magnetic, and when you build a business around something you genuinely care about, people can feel it. Spend some time really digging deep here. This isn't about chasing a trend, it's about discovering the value only you can bring to the world. Once you've identified your unique value, we move to the second spoke, content creation. This is how you share your value with the world. Think of it as the engine that powers your wheel. You need to create content that attracts your ideal audience. This could be through YouTube videos like this one, blog posts, podcasts, or social media updates. The key is consistency and providing real value. Don't just sell, teach, entertain, and inspire. If your unique value is sourdough bread, create videos showing your best techniques, write articles about the science of fermentation, or share stunning photos of your creations. Each piece of content you put out is a beacon, drawing people who are interested in what you have to offer. This is how you build a community, an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. And trust is the currency of the internet. Now for the third spoke, which is where things get really exciting, productization. This is how you turn your value and your content into income. You've built an audience that trusts you. Now you can offer them something more. This doesn't have to be a physical product. It could be a digital course teaching your sourdough secrets, an ebook of your best recipes, a one-on-one coaching service, or even an affiliate partnership with a brand you love and use. The possibilities are endless. The crucial part is that your product is a natural extension of the free value you've been providing. It's the next logical step for your most engaged followers who want to go deeper. This is how you monetize your passion without feeling like you're just selling out. You're providing a solution to a problem your audience already has. This leads us to the fourth and final spoke, automation and scaling. This is what transforms your online hustle into a true wealth building system. Once you have your value, your content, and your product, you need to build systems that work for you, even when you're not working. This means using tools like email marketing autoresponders to nurture your audience, setting up sales funnels that guide customers to your products, and maybe even hiring a virtual assistant to handle routine tasks. The goal is to create a business that doesn't depend on you trading time for money. By automating, you free up your time to focus on what you do best, creating more value and innovating new ideas. This is how you scale. Your wheel starts spinning faster and faster, generating momentum and income with less and less manual effort from you. So, let's recap the Online Wealth Wheel. It starts with your unique value, your passion and expertise. Then, you use content creation to share that value and build a trusting audience. Next, you leverage that trust through productization, offering paid solutions that help your audience even more. And finally, you use automation and scaling to build a system that generates income and impact without consuming all your time. Each spoke supports the others. Without unique value, your content is empty. Without content, no one discovers your products. Without products, there's no income. And without automation, you'll burn out. But when all 4 are in place, you create a powerful, self-reinforcing cycle of growth. It's a flywheel of success. This isn't an overnight get-rich-quick scheme. Building your online wealth will take time, effort, and dedication. But the beauty is that you can start today, right now. What's one small step you can take to define your unique value? Can you jot down 3 content ideas? Can you research one tool to help you automate a task? The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your journey to financial freedom can begin with the first turn of your own wealth wheel. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Take action. Start building. The power to change your financial future is right there in your hands. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this framework gives you the clarity and motivation you need to get started. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on building your online business. Drop a comment below and tell me which spoke of the wheel you're going to work on first. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.